貪得無厭，貪得無厭。
It is an expression that is used to describe someone as very greedy. The direct translation is a greedy that not get satisfied. It implies someone's unlimited greedy. For example,
佢貪得無厭，食自助餐嗰陣攞完又攞，但係又食唔晒。佢貪得無厭，食自助餐嗰陣攞完又攞，但係又食唔晒。
In English, it means he was so greedy that he took a lot of food at a buffet, but he couldn't finish the food. There is a Cantonese expression related to greedy too. It is
貪字得個貧，貪字得個貧。
You can see the characters
貪
and
貧
look similar. The expression means the character greedy finally becomes the character poor. For example,
佢為人貪得無厭，最終一無所有，真係貪字得個貧啊！佢為人貪得無厭，最終一無所有，真係貪字得個貧。
In English, it means he was a very greedy person and finally he got nothing. It really is greedy finally becomes poor. Don't forget to like, comment, share and subscribe to my channel. Thank you. See you next time.